make your retirement plan grow. Hi, I'm D.L. Campbell, engineer investor with over 20 years of commercial real estate experience. You've reached my YouTube channel. Like and subscribe today to over 150 commercial real estate videos on the market, trends, properties in Dallas, and terminology used in real estate. We even have a due diligence video on what questions you should be asking to do your commercial real estate due diligence, because it is on you. It's crucial to know how to put your IRA or 401k to work. It needs to be outpacing the inflation rate. If you've had your money tied up in the stock market over the past year or 5, you're broke even after all that work. And commercial real estate is half as risky and twice as profitable as the stock market. Commercial multifamily is half as risky as the stock market. It's a better place to invest in. That hard asset will not walk away. It's real estate, it's drivable, it's going to stay there. You're evaluating your retirement goals, so like and subscribe to our YouTube channel, Honors Way Group, today.